During their work, crew are exposed to special health-related challenges. For example, investigated the health status of cabin crews and found significantly more sleep problems, depression, anxiety, and fatigue than the average population. Fatigue is favored by night work, a very early start of work, long flying hours, long time shifts, and impairments of the biorhythm. In the case of national flights, a very early beginning or very late end of duty, but also irregular structured duty schedules have been identified as problematic. In general, irregular working hours, duty shift work, and night work can increase the incidence of physical and psychological problems. In addition to objective factors, subjective stressors are also relevant. Here are a few methods of prevention. First of all, take breaks when they are designated. Second, consume regular, balanced meals that include fruits, vegetables, meats, and starches. Also drink enough water and engage in regular exercise. Finally, it's the responsibility of both crew and onboard management to make sure that there is adequate manpower and resource availability to meet the requirements for minimum rest hours and maximum work hours.